Perhaps some of you may remember me, but probably not. My name is the Unknown Comic, famed on The Gong Show of 1976. Nah, I lied. I'm actually Barbara Louise Blankenship. Now, I've lived a very full life, and I've accomplished a lot of things, and lived through a lot of things, so I actually have a lot of aliases. But today, I just call myself Barb, lowercase intended. I'm in the brand Bachelor in Paralegal Studies and Litigation Technology. I was in the Associate's Program a couple years ago, and I just jumped at the opportunity when they meshed the Associate's Program with the Bachelor's Program. I just couldn't help myself. I love public speaking. I'm a ham. In fact, one of my favorite things I ever did was I was in a recruiter school, and they gave us an extemporary speech to come up with, and my choice of subject was my feet. I talked about where they went and what they did for me. There have been many great orators throughout the world over the course of years, but I have to say my most favorable is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He was every word in his heart and his actions, and every actions were his word and his heart. I can't wait to see what I can get out of this class. Like I said, I'm a ham, but I want everybody else to be hamish with me. And I hope all you guys will give me lots of feedback, and hopefully we can all work together and carry us all into a great journey. And by the way, this is brought to you by way of ta-dun, ta-dun, dun, ta-dun, dun, ta-dun, ta-dun, The Gong Show.